Folicure Dallas, non-surgical hair replacement versus wigs and toupees, which is better? Hair loss affects 85% of men by age 50, often impacting confidence. If you're looking for a solution, non-surgical hair replacement systems and traditional wigs, toupees are two popular options. But which is best for you? What is non-surgical hair replacement? A custom-fitted hair system made from high-quality human or synthetic hair, seamlessly blending with your natural hair. It's attached using skin-friendly adhesives, ensuring a realistic look. Benefits: natural appearance, invisible bases create a flawless blend. Customization matches your hair texture, thickness, and style. Instant, guaranteed results, no surgery, no downtime, no side effects. Durable for active lifestyles, swim, exercise, and live worry-free. Wigs and toupees, a traditional alternative. Pre-made hairpieces designed to cover bald spots or the entire scalp. Available in synthetic or human hair, they are a removable, temporary solution. Pros: affordable, initial cost, prices range from $50 to $500. Easy to use, quick on and off convenience. Cons: less natural looking, pre-made wigs often lack realism. Discomfort, can feel heavy, itchy, and cause traction alopecia. Frequent replacements, budget-friendly wigs degrade quickly. Which option is right for you? For an active lifestyle and natural appearance, non-surgical hair replacement is best. For a temporary, budget-friendly fix, wigs, toupees may work. Folicure Dallas specializes in non-surgical hair replacement for a realistic, long-lasting solution to hair loss. Schedule a consultation today.